complete. Right. Okay. Okay, children. So good afternoon to all. See, children,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
we are asking many doubts about this triangle. Now, is it clear, children? This
Yes,
last
ma'am.
question, last question we explained. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Okay, okay, children. So whenever
Yes,
you
ma'am, it's
see
clear.
one angle like this, if one angle is like this, no worries, because that angle is itself that is a long big angle, right? But if it is divided in like this, so it became two angles, right?
Yeah.
So it has both has a separate name, right, children?
Yeah.
So when you name
ma'am.
it, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, right?
Angle 2. Yeah.
So when we name it,
Yes,
angle
ma'am.
1's name
PAD.
BAD, and angle 2's name
PAD.
right.
DAC.
CAD or DAC, both are
DAC.
correct.
Together
So
it is
that corner should be in the middle, and both angles are different, right, children? Angle 1 and angle 2 both are different, right?
PAC also.
Yes, ma'am.
So it
DAC.
can be named in different ways. Angle DAC and angle CAD is same, and A is in the middle, both, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear for you?
Yeah.
So we'll move to the next
Yes, ma'am.
question. Okay, children. So exercise C, children. I'll show you. See, this is exercise 4.2. I already sent to you, right?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
One
No
second.
doubt, ma'am.
Let me complete,
No doubt.
Sri Shankar. Exercise 4.2, I already sent to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
This is
Exercise
the classroom.
4.2, and next one is exercise 4.3. This one. This one.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we did.
One is keeping the specs
Ma'am, I
like
have
that.
one thing to say, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
one second, Sri Shankar. Exercise 4.3, then exercise 4.4, just now we completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
4.2, so note down 4.2, 4.3, and 4.4. These three exercises you have to do it in your notes. I am going explaining and going, you have to do it and submit it on Tuesday when you come.
Ma'am, I wrote some of them.
Clear, children? Now you are writing the answer and going, right?
Yeah.
You are continuously writing the answer. Now when I explain,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
then Sri
writing
Shankar
right
tell Sri Shankar.
ma'am, that my headset, all your sound is being very hang and stuck. Some problem happening.
No
in
problem.
laptop.
You now you listen. Listen,
Ma'am,
children.
but your sound is being very, very noisy, like hang and all. Like,
Okay, Sri Shankar. Now listen to me. Now listen. This is exercise 4.5, children. What is the question? Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Can you see? There you can see one person is drawing one quadrilateral. Can you see?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, we have to draw a quadrilateral. And what is the name given to the quadrilateral?
PQRS.
How will you name
PQRS.
that quadrilateral naming?
Ma'am, in the side.
Cyclic manner. Very good. So it is P, Q, R, S.
RS.
S.
Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
so we have drawn that. Then draw is diagonals.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are diagonals?
PQQR.
Ma'am,
Diagonals
RP and
diagonals will be through the interior, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are his names?
RPSQ.
PR and line segments PR and SQ.
SQ, yes, ma'am.
Okay, children?
The side.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
The sides PQ.
Again, name them. We already named then, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
and Third question is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Is the meeting
Interior.
point of the diagonal?
Interior.
Okay. Yesterday
Interior.
there was a question, no? Meeting point of the diameters.
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
it is
Where is the
in
meeting
center.
point of diameter?
At the
Center.
center. Interior.
Ah,
Is
so the
interior.
quadrilateral does not have a center in between, so we will tell it is in the interior, right? So where
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
meeting point of the diagonals, in the interior or exterior?
Interior.
Interior. Right, children? This is
Interior.
the question number 1. Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When you are explaining, it is easy.
Okay, that is a compliment for me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
When I explain, it is easy, right?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Yes,
Angelina, fire your doubts.
Thank you. Ma'am, in that question, name them. It means name the quadrilateral or name the diagonals.
Joyce diagonal, name them.
Okay,
Name them
diagonals,
means the plural. Diagonals, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Joyce diagonals, name them means that those diagonals we have to name, right?
Okay.
Quadrilateral we already named. Clear, children? Clear,
Yes, ma'am.
Angelina?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. Now
Ma'am, we
somebody,
have to write
someone, one person also called me. Who is that person?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Tell who?
we have to write this now.
No. No. Somewhere you note down in the paper, book or in the notes itself. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
children, shall we
the
move to
third
the second one?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you zoom the paper?
excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so the first question we will write the diagonals PR and SQ, and
Yes.
after that,
Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the
it is
quadrilateral?
in the interior.
Meeting point of the diagonals will be in the interior. That is the answer. You can
Okay,
write no. Those are very simple sentences, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will move to the second question. Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question is, draw a rough sketch
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
quadrilateral KLMN. Draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral
Hello, ma'am.
KLMN. So you have to draw again another quadrilateral. What is the name of it?
KLMN.
L,
KLMN.
M, and N, right? In a cyclic order.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it, children?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
a
Yes, ma'am.
One manner.
cyclic order. Yes. Now, two pairs of opposite sides.
Ma'am,
Two pairs of
KM and
opposite sides.
K, M, and N.
LN.
One second.
K,
I'll
M,
take
N,
another
LN.
color so that it is easy for you to understand. See,
Okay.
children, opposite sides. MN's opposite side is
LM. ML.
K, M, and L, N.
Okay.
KL.
Hi. So
K, M, and L, N, right?
okay. KL and MN are opposite,
MN.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll use another color. This are you.
Four sides.
KN's opposite side is?
LM.
Yes. Now you are all familiar with it, opposite sides.
Yes, ma'am.
These two are opposite and these two are opposite, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No.
can you zoom it somewhere? I can't see it clearly.
It is
Yeah,
not.
that-
1 second.
Ma'am, I don't know.
No, that's why she zoom out.
Yes. Brightlin has come and one more person has come just now. Catherine. Okay. Now listen, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Neha.
Neha. I wrote. Now, children, again. KLM. KLM I wrote on top, no?
Yes,
K I
ma'am.
wrote on top, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So KLMN. KLMN, right, children?
N.
Is this way, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This way.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then two pairs of opposite angles. Where are they?
Ma'am, KLM and MNK.
Sri Shankar,
MN.
I'll give you nicely if you're telling like this. See children, what are the opposite angles? Take one angle first. Is it one second? Is the angle divided two parts or three parts? Single letter, right? Single angle.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. So
Yes,
So
yes,
what
ma'am.
is the angle opposite to angle K?
K,
Angle M.
Angle K and angle M, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is the other angle?
Angle L and angle
Other
M.
angle is angle L.
Angle L and
Angle N.
N.
angle L and angle N, right?
Angle N.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So these are the opposite angles.
And the first one is showing the sides, right?
Hmm?
First one is showing sides, right?
First one is opposite sides. Second one is opposite angles.
What is
Okay.
the answer of
Ma'am,
opposite
that
sides?
sound.
You draw one KLMN and name the opposite sides. Clear, Richard?
Okay,
We
ma'am.
should draw or just write it in the notes. We should draw it, the figure.
You have to draw. You have to draw and you have to write the answer according to your picture, right?
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Okay, children. Listen. Now we'll move to two pairs of adjacent sides. Okay. 1 second. I'm drawing one side here. LM. What is this adjacent side? Two
M.
adjacent sides are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
LK and
Yes, ma'am.
LM's
Okay,
adjacent sides are
K and MN.
MN.
KL and MN.
MN.
So
MN.
LM's adjacent sides are KL and MN.
MN.
Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 we can write. Again, shall I give one more side?
Yes.
Your name.
It is K.
K.
Let me take this. KN's adjacent sides are
LK and NM.
KL and MN. Okay.
MN.
KL and MN
For
itself.
the first answer, we have to write LK, right?
No
You
problem.
can also write
Line
that.
segment, no. Any other way you can write. Any way you can write. Reverse also. But ray, if it is ray, it is important that initial point you should start. Okay. It is a line segment. You can name in reverse order also. Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now-
ma'am.
Now we'll move to the last question. Two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means nearby angles. Nearby angles.
M and
Angles, neighbors.
M
K.
and
Angle K and angle M.
M and K. M and K.
Yes. Angle
Very
K
good,
and
very good.
angle
Angles, neighbors are
Angle M and angle K.
angle L,
Angle K.
angle M,
Angle
and
K.
angle K, right?
Angle K. Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
shall we take one more angle? Which angle you want?
N.
Okay, take N.
Ma'am, angle N.
N,
Angle
K
M
and
and
angle
Take
K
N.
and angle
Okay,
M.
take N.
Angle K.
Neighbors, angle N's neighbors.
Angle K
Angle
and
K and
angle
angle
N.
M.
Angle N, angle K, angle
Yes,
M. Now is it thorough?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am,
Now you have any doubt you can ask?
we have to find the adjacent side, opposite side angles of N, right? N.
You write, when you write angle N, angle K, angle M. So these three are adjacent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. And the adjacent angles are L, M, K, and
Angle N's adjacent angles are angle K and angle M.
okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So all these three are adjacent.
Okay, ma'am.
In the question, we have to write only two pairs. What we wrote? See, only 2 pairs of adjacent angles.
Yes, ma'am.
But we wrote how many? C3, 1 angle, and we wrote 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, so we got more than that.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
And the
So
question
this
is
is exercise
the
4.5. Exercise 4.5 based on quadrilateral. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
and ma'am in the
Any
sheet,
doubt, children?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Anybody? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Any? You can ask me if you have any doubt.
Activity.
Yes, ma'am.
One second, one
Activity,
second,
ma'am.
one second.
Activity.
1 second, children. Last one is very important.
investigate.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes, ask. Ask.
ma'am, the adjacent sides of adjacent angles of L is K and N, right?
I forgot that figure. K, L, M, N, right? So adjacent angle of
L.
L, K, and M.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
But you said
Ma'am,
that we
excuse
got
me, ma'am.
3.
Hmm.
Ma'am, maybe in between I will have a power failure because there is heavy wind and rain.
So,
And so in between I will have a power failure.
so
So I will leave.
So,
in the class.
Ayman, you will understand it. Ayman, you just read out the things. Same thing. I explained some more, only that. Just read the exercise and you can understand. Okay, Ayman?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are more adjacent sides, adjacent
Yes, more
angles.
adjacent sides are there. More adjacent sides are there. We need only 2 pairs, but we wrote more than that, right? Enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Enough. No need of writing all the adjacent sides. If you take one side, you will get 2 adjacents, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anandesh, if you take one side, you will get other adjacent sides also. So like that, 4 sides, you will get 3 adjacent sides for each, right? So we'll get more than that. We need only 2 pairs in that. Okay, children.
Okay,
So shall we move to this question? So exercise 4.6. This is the last
Okay, ma'am.
exercise of the chapter. Okay. And do you remember circles, children?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. We remember, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we discuss that?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Okay.
It's only till 4.5, right?
ma'am, do we
Do
have to
everything
draw
you
the
have to write,
circle that
children. 4.3, 4.2, 4.4, 4.5. You take time, and Tuesday, I extended it to Tuesday to write.
ma'am,
We wrote
ma'am,
already, no? Children, we wrote already, no? I explained and you noted it, right?
Yes, ma'am. We noted it.
So just copy in your notes
Yes,
and
ma'am.
bring. That also for next week, Tuesday. Is there any problem?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen,
ma'am, we
shall I
need to
explain
deal
this
on
also? Now
this.
please
Ma'am,
keep
activity,
quiet.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to draw this circle that is written here, drawn here? That
Let me
as a
explain,
question.
Shreya. Will you allow me to explain?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Will you allow me to explain?
Ma'am, that I was going to tell that activity, ma'am. Activity. The
Sri Shankar, let me complete this child. Afterwards, I'll tell. Okay.
yes, activity.
So exercise 4.6. From the figure, identify. Okay. You can see one figure there now.
Yes, ma'am.
This figure.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
question is identify the sender.
Point.
Oh,
Yes.
What is the sender?
point O.
Here is a point, right? So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
Yes,
point
ma'am.
O,
Oh.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. So you understood any doubt in sender?
No doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay. So second question. 3 radii.
Point radius.
Not
What?
Radius A and B and C.
OA, OB, and
Oh, yes,
O,
that will be correct.
O, A, O, B, and O, C.
I told you I told you when you
AOB.
name the radius, you start from the center. That will be easy for you. Okay.
O A O B O
So
C
O
And OC.
O A
O
O
B
B
OB
and
and
OC.
OC.
The line segments OA, OB, OC, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that also got over. Third one is a diameter. Can you
AOC.
identify a diameter from this?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
CA.
CA or AC.
CA.
Diameter is also
AC.
a line segment and it passes through the center O. So what is that line segment?
A-
AOC. No need of using three letters.
CA.
CA or AC, right?
CA.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Excuse
fourth
me,
question
ma'am.
is a chord.
ED.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
listen.
ED.
1 second. 1
ED.
second.
ED.
Why are you telling in between? Excuse me and all.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so you told that diameter is also a code. So, ma'am, we can also name the code a AC.
What?
I told you listen to my class first. I told you either AC or CA. Who is
Yes.
asking me these doubts?
Ma'am, I want.
I mean, listen to my explanation. I already told you either AC or CA. Both you can do. Right?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
saying can we
Don't
write
use
that?
the third letter. Don't use A or C. Clear?
It was not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, second one is, fourth one is a chord. A chord. Since the diameter is already we
Yes, ma'am.
mentioned, when you mention the chord, don't write the diameter's name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Already
Yes, ma'am.
diameter is asked in the question and we got answer as AC. Now, when is the diameter is also a chord, but don't write AC again. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And the code
ma'am.
is, what is the name of the
The
code?
code
ED.
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 So there is one code here, so it is separately given. So write that code's name itself because this diameter is asked in another way here as a third question. So don't write a code. Since the code is also a diameter, don't write AC there. You write only that code given. What is the code name?
ED.
What is the
ED.
code's name? ED, right?
ED. Yes, ma'am.
Now, that is the fourth question.
Point.
Listen to me. What is the fifth question? 2 points in the interior.
Point O.
Ma'am, O and P. Point
Yes.
O and point P.
Point O
and
and
P.
point
Point
P.
P.
Where is the
O and
center?
P.
Point O and point P. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
point
ma'am.
O is the center. Point P is also given as another one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
A point in the exterior.
Point Q.
Point Q.
Q.
Point Q.
Point
Point Q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, a sector. A
O.
sector.
O.
Sector
A.
AB.
B.
AOP.
See,
AOB.
here you have to take care because sector AB, if you are writing sector AB, it also indicates that arc AB, right, children?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if you indicate the sector as its 2 letters, you will write as AB, right? But
Yes,
when
ma'am.
you write AB, it may indicate the arc also, isn't it?
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, for indicating sector, we use 3 letters. Clear, children?
AOB. OB.
So it will be clear. Sector. AOB. Now you understood.
OB.
AOB. AOB is a sector. Clear,
Excuse me,
children?
ma'am.
O. Ma'am, B. O.
Ma'am, we
A
can
is
also write OAB.
OAB. No problem.
Ma'am, I have one thing to say, ma'am. Excuse
BOA,
me.
no?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ah.
So BOA also we can write it.
Yes,
clearly.
Sri Shankar. Is that any doubt? That is not at all a doubt. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So BOA, AOB, ABO, all these indicates a sector. But
Sector.
okay. But when you indicate a sector, you start from the center. That is good. Okay. It will be
Yes.
clarified. OAB. Or you make this O as the center point. AOB is also done. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But when you indicate a
ma'am.
sector, use 3 letters, because if you tell simply AB, it is an arc, right, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to indicate that that is a sector. It starts, it meets the center. So that center point also you have to tell. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next one is a segment. How will you indicate a
Next.
segment?
Ma'am, that
Did
I
children?
have some doubt.
Here, this segment, if you simply tell ED,
Segment ED.
segment ED, okay. But ED is the code, no?
Yes, ma'am. That's why.
But here,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
here
We
no
have to
other
give an,
letter is given. If we give one letter here, I will give one S here. Okay? Okay,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
So it will be specified
ma'am.
because the code's name is also ED, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you give one letter, there is special letter, and you can write the answer as segment ESD. Now, okay?
Yes, ma'am. That is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, ED is already there as a code.
Yes, ma'am. That's
Isn't it?
no problem. Yes,
So
ma'am.
indicate
Yes,
a
ma'am.
letter in the arc. That arc.
we should add a point over there.
There you
Ma'am,
add
but
a
in the
point
arc
because
we
in the
usually
textbook
write
it is
an,
not there. Actually, there should be a point like
But
this.
we add,
You add
ma'am,
one
but we
point.
add an like half
Excuse
circle
me,
in
ma'am.
the above the letters, right? For arc.
Excuse me, ma'am, is there any symbol for the segment and or
No, nothing.
for line segment and
no
or we
symbol.
will put a
No
line?
symbol.
Ma'am, I had doubt.
Segment, no symbol. Arc, there is symbol. Clear? Sector and segment, no symbol. We should indicate like this only. So that is why I specifically given that if you use that 3 letters, so it will be C. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, homework.
Oh my. Oh, homework. One second. Listen to me.
Ma'am, not
See,
homework.
listen,
Activity.
children. Listen. Okay. Second question. Is every diameter of a circle is also a chord?
No.
No, ma'am.
Pass through the center.
Ma'am, diameter is a code, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, diameter is a code,
All
right?
the
ma'am?
diameters are chords, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
diameters are chords. So the question is given, is every diameter of a circle is also a chord? All the diameters are chord,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
diameter is a chord. So what is the answer?
Yes.
Yes. Every diameter is a chord.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a sure thing. Don't tell no there. Now you move to the second question. Is every chord of a circle is also a diameter?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, because chord
All the chords are not
the center.
diameters.
doesn't
Clear?
count. All
You
chords
understood both the questions?
center. Yes, ma'am.
All diameters are chords, but all chords are not diameter. You look at the figure. Is this a diameter? This is a chord, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ED is a chord.
Yes.
Is this a diameter?
No, ma'am.
It can't be.
Okay.
It is not a diameter.
Diameter pass through
Ma'am,
the
so we have to
center.
just write the answer as no or yes.
No. First question's answer is yes. Second question's no.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Now listen. It is heavy raining here. Listen to me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Third question is,
Ma'am, here.
draw any circle and mark. Draw any circle and mark. That is the question. Listen, children. You have to draw one circle and mark all these points. Like this shade. This question. No? Like this you have to shade. Sector, segment, all everything you have to shade.
And can we do it in our own?
You have to draw your own. Okay, children. One second. I sent one slide to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes,
that one
ma'am.
picture, everything
Yes,
is
ma'am.
indicated, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wrote that in notes.
Same way, you have to draw your own circle and all this you have to mark. That is a very important question. If you are there in an offline exam, if you are writing an offline exam, this is a 4-mark question for you. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's a very
ma'am.
important
Ma'am, what is the
question.
meaning of offline?
Draw any circle and mark all these points. Center, diameter, segment.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of offline?
Ma'am, activity. Ma'am, activity.
Real
One second.
Yes,
One
ma'am,
second.
activity.
Time got over. 1 second. Next day I will check. 1 second, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Next day will you bring?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. Now listen.
Ah.
Listen. Say true or false.
Activity.
I will check next day. Angelina,
Ma'am,
let
ma'am,
me
ma'am, can you
complete
repeat?
this.
Ma'am, what
Let
is the
me
activity?
complete this.
What is the activity?
Roman numerals. Do
Okay,
you
okay,
have?
okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have it.
Okay. Let me complete this, children. Two more questions. Say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect.
Yes.
Yes,
What is the meaning?
True.
Two diameters. When you draw two diameters, it will intersect. Where?
Yes, ma'am.
In the center.
The center. At the center. So it is true, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's true.
Second question. The center of a circle is always
ma'am.
in its interior.
Yes, ma'am.
True.
True.
That also true. Okay, children. Thank you very much.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
1 second. These children, no, you are all very eager to show the activity. Next day, you have to bring it, everybody. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
This chapter is very, very important chapter. I think it is clear to you, everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's clear.
Okay, now we'll move to the next chapter. Next day, by next week, Tuesday, you have to write it and come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
children?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any doubt, children? Shall I wind up?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. No, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. See, children, if you have any doubt, you write and keep with you. And next day when I come, you ask. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Activity also when you come next day.
Okay, done.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for this.